It's Friday the 13th today. Lucky for some, well it is for us, it's absolutely bitter cold, but the weather forecast hopefully does give it to warm next week. But today I'm just going to quickly show you what we use to make our frames up. So what we've got here is a jig. When we use this for making 10 frames at a time. This is the Langstroth version. We've made another version that we use for our national frames. This is one that I've had for a long time. It originally came from Man Lake, but the problem was it came with two pieces of wood that you had to pull out, and to be honest it was a pain in the arse. So we've adapted this using two broom handles, basically 25mm pieces of dowel. And what you do with these is you slide these through either side. Pop your sidebars in. Fast bit coming up. Once you've got your sidebars in, and that's what these two poles are for, these are going to hold your sidebars from flopping around. And with all my frames, I like to give them just a dab of glue as we speed up again. Once you've got your glue on there, you can put your top bars on. Just speed up again. We give these a tap down just to make sure they're nice and stiff. And then what we're using here is it's a 15mm staple. We'll just put one on the top of each. Flip these over. The hammer out of the way. Another blob of glue. Pop our bottom bars in. These are just a one-piece bottom bar. If these are going to be for the plastic foundation, if these were going to be for a wax foundation, which we'll be doing next week, and I'll also be showing you how we hot wire those as well. You'll get them with a groove in the bottom, so you can, if you want, just drop your sheet wax straight through the frame. And then we just pop a staple in the bottom of all these. Pull your two poles out and lift your box off, and then you've got 10 new frames made up. The only problem we have is we completely run out of places to store these frames until we get the foundation put in them and we get them put in the hives. But as I say, what we'll do next week, I'll show you how that we do the hot wiring of the wax